Check mic. All right. Yan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind. Kamusta naman weekend nyo? Kamusta ang Monday ninyo? It has been a very fiery Monday for me. Sobrang exciting ng Monday ko ngayon. And you can read it in the title, 1,000% earning kay EmberSword. Baka sabihin nyo, hindi ako nagsasabi ng totoo. I'm gonna be sharing to you. I was just able to sell the land plot that I have, that I own. Hindi naman ako, but with the partners also. Yung land namin na nabili namin sa EmberSword, we sold a portion of it and we got more than 1,000% pero minus the gas fees and etc. So we're playing it around nasa 1,000% na lang, right? But I'm gonna show you that later on. But then again, very good Monday. Ang hindi very good is this one right here. Not that one. This one right here, PSEi. Right, Philippine Stock Exchange Index, red for today, negative 1.07. Medyo malaking negative yan. But net foreign buying tayo na 79 million. So, at the very least, yung investors sa net foreign natin, sa foreign investors natin, hindi naman gaanong naglalabasan ng pera. But, it's safe to say that we anticipated this drop right here. That's the reason why I told you market is kind of toppish. You're reaching very strong resistance right here. Yan yung resistance natin before nagsimula. After nung pandemic. So it's a very strong resistance right there. And we were toppish. And that's why I told you, huwag muna maging aggressive sa market at these levels. And there it is. Bumagsak ang index ngayon ng ganito. Hopefully, this will bounce anytime soon and test the resistance again. Hopefully, makapag-breakout tayo. That's the best case scenario. But hindi tayo manghuhula. What we want to do is really try to anticipate the market and just react accordingly. Ganun ang strategy natin sa market lagi. Alright? But more about that in a bit. Ayan. Punta muna tayo sa comments really quick. But before that, ayan, before we go to the comments, hopefully na-share nyo na po yung video. Please share this video to your friends, to your relatives, sa mga gusto matuto paano kumita ng pera. Just today, we earned a lot with our partners sa EmberSword. And marami pa tayong mga sinishare ng mga opportunities with you guys. So please share this video para ma-share natin yung blessings sa mga kaibigan natin, mga kakilala natin. Especially to your trading groups. If you have any trading groups up there, please share this video. A little favor from my end. Hopefully I've earned this favor from you guys. Pag-share po itong video na ito sa mga trading groups ninyo kasi maraming newbies doon for sure na nagjo-join. Let's let them know that there's a program like this that can guide them in their trading journey and making money, in their financial freedom journey, di ba? So, yun, hopefully, i-share nyo po. Thank you so much for sharing. Welcome sa mga kakapanood lang. Welcome to the Daily Grind. This is the best program for newbies, especially sa stock market, kasi matutunan nyo ano dapat ginagawa nyo pag newbies pa lang kayo. And we're gonna be opening your eyes up to more. Ayan, mas marami pa mga opportunities out there. That's okay for you, right? NFTs is very hot right now. Nakita nyo gaano kainit NFTs, right? Let me just share this, right? Let me share to. Ayan, taka lang ha. Masyadong lakas. Should be at 20%. Let me just. Lakas pa rin. 15%. Yan. And I wanna let it be at the background lang para hindi naman patay pakinggan. Alright? I wanna share this to you guys. Ayan. EmberSword na income natin. Not this one right here. No, wala pala. Token Trove ko. tokentrove.com. Alright, so this is technically a NFT market. Itong Token Trove. Right? So, right now, I have 4. Nakita nyo po sa upper right, sa taas ng StockSed na logo, 4.68. Technically, 4.67 ETH. Let me just go to my account, EmberSword land, right here. Pinakita ko na to sa inyo dati, di ba? 4 yung nakuha natin na land before. Ngayon, ang nakikita nyo is 3 land na lang. Right? 3 land na lang kasi binenta ko yung isa. Right? I opened this up to partnership. Kung ako lang sana, okay lang to. But I really want to open up the opportunity sa mga followers ko. So we ended up with 28 partners dito, meaning 28 people from you guys, mga viewers ko, ang nakisabay sa akin dito. Meaning, hinati-hati natin yung 400,000 into 28. So, we ended up with around 15,000. Meron pa kasi mga gas fees. We closed at around 435, I believe so. 435,000 na investment. Now, not 435,000 na investment was let us get this group of lands. 4 po ito. Town plot po yan. So, technically, tigmo 100,000 each. Right? We were able to sell one earlier. Earlier this day, I sold it at 5.5 Ethereum. Right? 5.5 Ethereum is around 0.5 Ethereum 100K. 5 Ethereum is 1M. So, 1.1 million. Right? Minus ng mga gas fees and etc. We ended up with 4.7 ETH. Nakita nyo sa upper right. And if we compute 4.67 ETH, that is 984,000 pesos po ang natira sa atin. So, technically, ang tig-iisa nito is 100,000 and we were able to get 1.1 million out of it minus the gas fee. So, 980,000 na lang. But that's still, imagine, that's times 10, almost times 10 our investment. Nabenta na natin to. We already have the cash. I'm just working my way through WETH, yung MetaMask natin. I want to be able to sell this into cash, convert this into cash. If ever may gustong bumili sa inyo ng WETH dyan, bebenta ko po itong WETH ko. So it's around almost 1 million. And then once na maging fiat na to, I'm gonna be sending it to the investors. So everyone invested 15,000 pesos, and they're gonna be ending up with for this sale lang for this sale alone, they're gonna be ending up with around 35 to 40,000 pesos each sa isang sale pa lang. And meron pa tayong meron pa tayong 3 na natitira. So we can sell this for 1 million. That's this is 3 million worth itong land na ito na hawak ko ngayon. That's crazy. NFT is just crazy right now. So congratulations na nakipag-partner up sa akin with EmberSword. Hopefully in the future, you guys open up. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Just keep an open mind. Stay cautious pa rin. Huwag direct padalos-dalos din naman. Sobrang open naman yung mind na yun. We do your research. I talked about this during NFT week. Right? Yung episode natin, NFT week. That was 2 months ago, I believe so. If I'm right, we talked about NFTs 2 months ago, about Axie, about EmberSword. I had an episode na I told you na ito yung tututukan ko na NFT talaga si EmberSword. Itong dalawa lang. I'm not gonna be looking at other NFT games just yet. I am gonna be looking at them, pero I wanna check the fundamentals of the game, and si Axie, tsaka ito lang nakita ko malakas talaga. And how strong, there it is. We were able to sell this one. And we already have this available. And pwede ko pa ibenta to for another million. Pero, yeah. Congratulations sa mga nakapag-partner sa akin. It was a very good day. Another good day sa mga nakapag-partner sa akin sa Axie. Jan, you should have received a message from my page, Financial Freedom 101, or from me personally, about update. Every week po ako mag-update sa inyo sa kitaan sa Axie niyo. Right now, we are earning 12,000 pesos a day po in SLP with the partners that we have already. And yan, hopefully na message ko na, if ever wala kayo natanggap from me, send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. Right? I am opening up partnerships sa Axie. Alright, I am the one training. Ito yung mga bago dito. Ito yung mga bago dito. They're earning 75 a day pa lang since the first week pa lang. Pero the good ones already are earning 267 a day, 235 a day, 210, 216. Ito mga under training pa yung iba. Pero we are able to reach 200 plus SLPs a day with the access that we have and the training that we have. Right? So, if you are wondering how much 235 SLP is, that's around 796, around 800 pesos a day. And then hahati-hatiin na yan sa scholar sa atin, sa mga partners ko, right? So, let me know if ever gusto nyo pong mag-diversify into NFTs pero ayaw nyo sakit ng ulo tulad ng mga nakapag-partner sa akin sa EmberSword tsaka dito sa Axie. Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 para partners tayo. Ako na bahala. Ako na Akin na yung sakit sa ulo sa mga NFTs, sa mga wallets, etc. Pagkukuha ng mga players, training the players, motivating them, etc. Ako na bahala dyan. And then, kayo, sitting pretty na lang kayo. At the same time, nakatulong pa kayo ng tao. Send me a message if you wanna join that. Right? PSEi, punta tayo sa PSEi. Okay, mamaya na. Punta tayo sa comments muna. I really wanna read your comments first. Grabe NFT, no? 1 million kaagad with a 100,000 investment. That's crazy. And I think yung isa na plot namin hindi pa namin ibebenta because we wanna wait for the game to start kasi for sure if ever maganda reception nun, aakit pa yung presyo nun. It will go up more than 1 million. Yung laro hindi pa lumalabas sa 1 million times 10 kaagad yung mga benta ng mga lands. Grabe. Ishi Marimat, good evening. Earl John Ginto, good evening. Sir Lloyd. Laura Napa, good evening. Ma'am Amy, good evening. Si Meg po. Let's check out Mega World. Let's go ahead and go for charting. Ayan. Mega World, dropping down for now. Net foreign selling tayo. Na-hit ng market din kasi to. Sipulahan ng market. But, let's see. MA20 is near right there. If ever mag-bounce sa MA20, that could be a trade for you. You can check it out right there. Moy, good evening. Yan, Moy is one of our scholars. He's also watching Financial Freedom 101 every night na. So, ito, isa, natutulungan natin yung mga kaibigan natin na magkaroon ng trabaho. Moy is a scholar. He is one of the best players in Axie right now natin. Right? Tingnan na. Pakita ko na yung performance ni Moy. Right? Si Moy, color 07. Yan, here. Ayaw ah. Yan, ano? This is Mark. Ang alam ko si Moy kasi kumikita to. Yan. Ito. This should be Moy. Yan. Performance ni Moy, tig to 200 SLPs a day. Details. Yan. Moy Anoba. Yan. One of our best players right now. Congratulations, man. Galing ng performance. Average SLPs, 211 SLPs a day. So that's a very good performance right there. Yeah, isa yan sa mga natutulungan natin, bigyan natin ng at least kabuhayan, di ba? Through our scholarship program. And at the same time, they're watching and we're able to influence them to become financially literate. At least, nagagabayan ko rin sila sa mga ganito. So, brighter future for these guys. Thanks to salamat sa mga tulong din ninyo, syempre, di ba? So, yeah, good evening, Moy. Magandang gabi. Dave Viola, good evening po. Sir Lloyd, MM and Wholesome po. Let's check out MM. Right, MM. Ayan. Si MM, uy, buy na to ha. I would say that's a higher low already for MM. We have an engulfing pattern already. If you've watched my Bollinger Band video, this is a reversal signal using Bollinger Bands. Usually, yung mangyayari niyan, gagawa ng support or gagawa ng higher low. And there's the higher low right there. Bodigahin yun to for MM. That's a buy. Good find. Dave Viola. Wholesome naman. And Wholesome, engulfing pattern for Wholesome. Uy, possible Posible to. Pwede na itong reversal pattern ni Wholesome. I want Wholesome, yan. Engulfing pattern, we want for it to confirm a support first before we are gonna be buying this. Hindi naman tayo nagmamadali right now. No need to be aggressive. The market is not that strong, so wait for confirmation. A support will be very good for it. Nakalimutan ko ulit yung pangalan nito ni it's in Chinese. So, Sir Aba po, pasensya na, hindi ko mabasa. Right. Ayun yung mahanap ng mga ginost ninyo, ha? Kaya iniiba niyo yung pangalan nyo. Right? Aba is hitting resistances right here. So, Aba, let it break out before you wanna get in Aba. Right? Since especially nasa resistance siya. Mac naman, Macro Asia created a resistance right here. Tingnan natin saan ito magbabounce. This is forming an ascending triangle, bullish pattern po yan. Let it break out before you wanna get in Mac. Laura, Napa, dito in green, Sir Lloyd, dito has been a buy ever since. Sinabi ko sa inyo, around this level pa lang, buy na yan. And 3 white soldiers na tayo. That's a reversal signal. I would say, pag nag-pull back and bounce, that is still a buy for dito. Budigahin nyo na yan. Green energy. And magandang gabi sa mga nanonood sa atin via YouTube din. Green has this uptrend line right here. That will be your entry point. Just follow the uptrend line of what do you call this? Of green energy. Magandang gabi sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. We have 33, alright? That's a very good number right there. Diyan lang quick rich team. Paano? What's the point? Kawawang mga followers. Alright, so Arnel, meron tayong Lloyd, been following you about 5-6 years, but dude, you just lost me. Really, you are now promoting digital land ownership. What's happening? Investing concept. Air. It's earning, and I don't know, man. Yeah, he said that he lost a follower right here. Man, I'm a gamer. I'm a huge gamer. I'm not sure if you understand how big the gaming world is. Right? How big the gaming world is this right here. Let's say for example, si Dota 2. Dota 2 TI 10 price pool. Right? Price pool ng Dota 2 TI 10 is first place lang to ha. Sa first place is 18.2 million. Nakita niyo po yan. 18.2 million is almost 1 billion pesos. Price pool po yan ng TI 10. Okay? TI 10, that's TI 10's price pool. Yung buong pool is around $40 million. $40 million. How is this game getting that price pool? Right? That's the question right here. That's a big question. That is because there are so many players. If you believe in entertainment, you should be believing in games also. Medyo na what do you call this? Medyo hindi natin napapansin ang gaming industry, right? But if you are a gamer, you will know how big the gaming industry is. Now, there is this opportunity na bagong scheme for a game to earn, which is through NFTs, right? And they're sharing to, if ever you buy a land plot right there, para mo na rin binili ang portion ng game nila. So, it makes you a stockholder, like Axis and etc. It makes you a stockholder, and then sinishare po ng game sa inyo yung revenue. So, I'm not sure if you know that kind of how big that opportunity is. But this is opportunity for me as a player to get a piece of that earning sa isang game. And hindi po ako basta-basta pumapasok sa isang laro. I do my extensive research. And that's the reason why I told you, dalawa lang ang linilingon ko na game ngayon kasi hindi ako basta-basta pumapasok. Right? Your point is, bakit ako tumitingin sa what do you call this? When bubble crashes, for sure, hugas kamay kayong promoters kasi you will always say, we told you, manage your risk. Right? So, if you watched my videos before, yan, I already told you, and we took profits already. I am a type of person na I am responsible. I am very responsible when it comes to investments, right? EmberSword, we just bought the land, and what's the problem right here? We earned how much? Right, times 1,000% sa EmberSword. So ROI na tayo. So that's playing safe. Yun nga, yung sinasabi ko lagi. Use the hype. Don't let the hype use you. Right? We are using the hype right now. And this is what we earned right here. Right? So when there is NFT, there is opportunity in it. Use the hype. Please do not go all in. I'm using the hype. I even shared the opportunity to you guys para sa mga gustong matuto. But then again, we cannot please everyone. So it's up to you, man. Right, stock market, Philippine Stock Exchange, if you're stuck in it, hopefully you can open your eyes to other opportunities. Nasa Forex ko ngayon. I still go into Forex. I still go into trading. Nasa eToro pa rin ako. But I cannot understand why we should be, what do you call this? Yung pantakip sa mata ng kabayo? Why we should be tunnel vision sa ganun lang when there's these opportunities right here, right? Diba? Now, EmberSword, I explained this to you guys. This is a way for us to be part of the game, ownership ng game, sinishare yung profit sa atin. And the thing is, the opportunity is there. We were given that opportunity. Why not take it? And this is the reason why we took it. And now we are $1 million pesos richer in just a day. So, yeah. I don't know, man. I would say just keep an open mind. Don't close your mind through it. If ever I lost you as a subscriber because of that message, God bless, man. Right. Anyways, let's move forward. Asa na tayo? Mike Eugenio, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening then. Lagman Dong, good evening, Sir. Paki, Dito, and Ali. We already covered Dito. Let's go for Ali. Sir Lloyd, ano po feedback niyo sa Emery Eats at sa dividends niya? I'll check that later. Hello, sir. Is this playable through mobile? Genesis Negradas. The good thing about EmberSword is it is free to play, right? You can still earn in the game without spending anything. Right? So, pwede kayong kumita in the game without spending anything. It's going to be playable through mobile, pero ang unang release nila is gonna be through PC lang muna. Right? They said after that they're gonna be going for mobile. Ali told you not to go into Ali anymore. We are in MA20 levels for Ali. So, tignan natin if ever mag-bounce sa MA20. I would say mid to long term na lang ang trades dito. Not like this position right here. For long term yung ganyan. Ngayon, mid to long term position, I would say MA20 if it bounces, that's gonna be your entry point. Alan Washalan, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ani, BSC, Wilcon. Check po. Right. Ani. Right. Ani. There it is. Ani. Right. So, Ani. Yun. Nag-break na ng MA20 si Ani, ha. Looking well. It just did a breakout right here. So, yeah. If di naka-join, wag na bash. Join lang sa sunod if may opportunity. It's okay, man. NFT's not for everyone, right? I kept you a promise ever since na if ever I see a good opportunity, I'll be sharing it with you guys. There was an opportunity. We were very nitpicky even. Diba? Nakita niyo ako ever since na we talked about NFTs, hindi ako basta-basta pumapasok. Antayin natin yung magandang position before I started in Axie. Hintayin natin yung level sa baba. And then I even told you guys, it's the best time to enter since nasa baba siya para lesser yung risk natin if ever you want to diversify into it. We saw EmberSword, maganda yung backing niya. It has a very good future. It's not for everyone, definitely. So, I wasn't expecting na everyone makikisabay sa atin sa EmberSword. Yung mga nakisabay was able to earn that much, right? And the lands are no longer available right now. Hindi na kayo makakabili ngayon. So, I don't recommend you buy now because it's expensive right now. Sa susunod, kung magkaroon ng land sale, mas mura doon. If ever you wanna join, then good. If ever hindi, then no biggie, right? Hindi naman sa pilitan yan. You can still play the game for free and still earn in the game, right? You don't have to spend anything in the game para makalaro kayo. It's just up to you if ever you wanna be part of, yung parang ikaw yung isa sa mga stockholder ng laro, right? Asa na tayo? Ani. Kaka-breakout lang ni Ani, ha. Yung volume nga lang wala. So, I would say pull back and bounce for Ani is gonna be a good signal for you to get into. BSC. Right. BSC. And ito yung previous resistance. That should be where the next bounce should happen. Tingnan natin. If ever mag-bounce dyan, that's gonna be your entry point. Or MA20, as long as MA20 holds, that's gonna be your support. Right, so Alan, Washalan, BSC, and then Wilcon. Right, tingnan natin si Wilcon. Ramin Sebasi, wow, new haircut, Sir Lloyd. Sir, ask ko lang po, how do you use stochastics RSI sa day trading po? I'm not using stochastic RSI. I'm not really very good at it. I don't have my own strategy for stochastics RSI. Pero maganda yan for day trading. Technically, parang RSI din, pag nasa baba yung stochastics, meaning it should wave up and then sabayin yung wave up and you should be able to get gains for stochastics RSI. Maganda yun for day trading. But I haven't used it that much. Ronnie Murillo, good evening. Rebecca Tangan, good evening. Any insights kay ASEN and SGP offer price? ASEN, SGP offer price, wala pa akong research done eh. We'll just ask Kapayam and Arnel about that. But for now, I can't answer that question. ASEN, delikado pa. Lower highs pa tayo, pero meron tayong higher lows than a signal. It's just that ASEN for me is way up there, so I cannot recommend it just yet. Anyways, Insight si ASEN SGP offer. Fox Verdi, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Vince Ariola, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pacheck po si Tech and AB. Tech and AB. Alright, si Tech. Support for tech. Right? Pag nag-support, susunod na green ni tech, that is gonna be your buy point. It should be a very good, napakaganda ng, what do you call this? Divergence ni tech. So that's looking good. Tech. AB. Right? AB naman. AB. Right? AB at big wedge. Lakas na resistance dito. Let it break out na lang if you wanna get in AB. Deljan Maumay, good evening. Paul Elementera, magandang gabi. Andrew Caracas, thank you so much for the 75 stars, man. Daviola, alright, thanks, man. Congratulations to the team. Alright, thank you, Sir Lord. Petty Navarro, Ganaban. Alright, DB, YBD, good evening po, Sir Lord, good evening. Janer Diano, ayun, Janer, good evening. IDC, first from Alexander Alata Nopia, IDC, alright. Alright, IDC, looking well, ha? Engulfing pattern, pullback right here. Tingnan natin kung mag-support sa IDC, ha? Pwede na itong bodegain, I would say. Maganda ba yung earnings ni RDC? Second quarter, ang laki pala na negative niya. So, that might bring it down. Tingnan natin if mag-release na ng third quarter. Maybe that will help. Sir, baka po may time si Arnel for SGPFO. Sana. Yeah, definitely. Let me message him now. Right? Arnel. Right. So, let me just message Arnel. Oh, good evening. SGP FOO daw sana. Yan. So, antayin lang natin. If ever, balitaan ko yung bukas, ano sasabihin ni Kapayama Arnel. Na-busy kasi this last weekend yung mga kasama natin kasi kinasal yung isa sa mga founder ng Stockset. Right? Daviola, sir, ano may feedback? Emery 8. Emery 8 at sa dividends niya. Actually, maganda yung ganda yung dividends na Emery 8 eh. Right? So, Emery 8. Naglabas na ba sila ng dividends? Magkano yung dividends niya for this, Eto. Right? Emery 8. 0.24. 0.24. Let's say 0.24 times 4 is around 1 peso. Liit Calculator. Let me open calculator really quick. So, with the current price na 17.82, let me just Google it instead. 1 is what percent of 18? 18 yung presyo niya ngayon, di ba? 5.56%. I'd say that's a very good return, man. Okay pa yun. Let me just double check. 17.82. Yeah. Maganda yung niya. Maganda yung percentage niya. It's 5.56% of your investment. Galing. Congratulations. Lagman Dong, thank you so much for the stars, man. Hello, sir. Is it payable through mobile? Genesis, is this playable through mobile? Nabasa natin to. Janer. Right. Leo Murata, good evening po. API po, sir. Let's check out API. It's 8:32. Let's go back to Let's go back to YouTube na mga natin. API, let it break out before you wanna get in. Let's go to YouTube. Sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube, good PM po, Kalbo Cut. Yun yung laging cut natin talaga. Humaba lang yung buhok ko kasi na sobrang busy tayo because of the NFTs that we were, yung mga nasikaso natin ng mga NFTs last couple of weeks. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening, Ryan Rahon. Just TV, good evening po, Sir Lloyd. Ano po masasabi nyo sa galaw ni JFC? Dito is a buy. JFC, right now, nasa resistance tayo, men. So, medyo tagilid ako kay JFC at this point. I want JFC to rest down muna. Tignan natin if ever it gives us another buy signal in the future. But for now, it's not a buy. Small kids, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening, Asia at night. Sir, si All Day murag mag 100% to the moon. O nga so sobrang oversubscribed. So congratulations sa mga sa All Day. If ever nabigyan kayo ng allotment, that should be doing well on, I could be wrong, but that should be doing well on IPO day. So congrats na sa inyo if ever nakakuha kayo. We did talk about it. Did say na pasukin ninyo and then cut loss lang if ever mali during that day. Diba? Dice. Yan. Good evening, Ian Cesar. Good evening, Sir Lloyd, everyone. Bagong tasa. O nga eh. Sir Lloyd, regarding EmberSword, ano yung magiging main currency? Sorry, kaka-join lang. It is going to create its own currency, which is Ember. And yun yung magiging parang currency in the game. Not really sure yet how it will run, right? How it will run, paano ma-generate yan. Basta ang alam ko, you can buy the items, right? Ito yung gusto ko kay EmberSword is it's not pay to win. Right? So, it won't really create a bubble. Ang gagawin nyo lang is play the game. Then, along the game, yung mga boss hunts, yung mga dungeons, right? These events are gonna drop skins. Right? Skins po yan. Alright? It will make your sword look good. It will make your weapon look good. It will make your character look good. But it will not add stats sa character nyo. So, pampapogi lang yan. And, that's what you sell in the marketplace, and then you use the currency para you use the currency nila para pang trade doon. Okay? So, yeah. It is a game. There will be people who will be buying it because, if you know Dota 2, if you know League of Legends, Wild Rift, Counter-Strike even, right? The skin marketplace, it sounds absurd na people are gonna be spending para pumogi sa loob ng laro. But that's the reason why Dota 2 is able to release $40 million na cash prize sa tournaments nila is because of that. Sponsors plus the community buying the skins, right? So yeah, Ian, Cesar Villaruel, M-Wide, Meg, CNPF. Thanks. Let's check out M-Wide. Alright. M-Wide. Going sideways. Ang problema ko kay M-Wide yung news niya eh. Ito yung pangit na news eh. Suspension, voluntary trading suspension 7 hours ago. Nag-ano pala siya. Trading suspension pa today. So I don't think you're gonna be able to trade this, but it is risky right now because of the bad news. I don't want to trade that. Meg. Malas eh. Ganda sana nung yung M-Wide eh. Diba? Technical analysis. We dubbed it a buy before. Kumita ng konti. Kaso nga lang, nagkaroon ng bad news. Yung mga executive, nagloko. Mega World is dropping right now. Let it drop lang muna. Ryan, Rahon. Meron pa pala. CNPF. Right? So let's check out Century Pacific. Looking well. Look at this. Engulfing. At least sinasabi ko sa inyo, engulfing pattern, pullback, and bounce. Right? So that bounce right there was the buy signal and it's already going up. It's not a buy anymore. Pullback and bounce yung susunod natin for CNPF. Good find. Thoughts on tech and PNB, Sir Lloyd? We covered tech already. This is from Ryan. Let's check out si tech. Ano to? Buy na to. We covered tech already. Pag nag-green yan sa support. Ariel. Right. Been a follower of mine 5 to 6 years ago na. Now you are now promoting digital land ownership. What happened to investing concept? Man, actually, yung land ownership sa ibang laro is technically how you become a partner sa laro na yan, right? Basically, investor ka sa game na yan, right? The game developers are selling their lands in the game and tokens para parang pang-fund nila. And then if you like the game, you buy it. If ever hindi, then what? Diba? Alright, anyways, my HNF TV, good evening po. Good evening, Eliza Fajardo. Sir, Dito will be affected by Dennis Uy and Kusi case po. So far, wala naman. Dito has been doing well as a company itself. Yung case naman kasi ni Dennis Uy, it's different from the company itself, right? So, you know that for sure. If ever may nagka-problema sa iba, as long as the company is doing well, it should be doing well. But it might be a problem. Pero so far, nasa support pa lang naman. Just cut loss lang if ever gusto nyo. Right? If ever you think. Kasi we can't really predict it. But so far, okay naman since nasa baba yung presyo ni dito. Live Discovery Channel, unsaon sir ang pag-play. Hindi pa out yung laro ni EmberSword. Rico Diaz, good PM Sir Lloyd. Thoughts about ASEN? Also, may I know what Axie lineup you are using? Aqua, and Plant po yung Axie natin. So, we standardized this one right here. So, if ever gusto nyo makita, right, just to help you guys out, right, so, Makita niyo yung dalawang aqua and dalawang plant. This guy right here is earning 200, average to 211 SLP a day. Right? So that's already very good numbers right there. Swerte nyo na if maka 200 kayo a day. So yeah, this is one aqua right here. I'm just gonna go through it na lang. Kayo na bahala sa mga cards. So here. And then the plant is this one right here. So this guys, isa sa mga importante. Vegetal bite. Actually, yung apat na yun yung maganda. So these are the standard plants that we have. And then yung dalawang aqua kanina for your information. And with those cards, you can already get this one right here. So mas maganda if marunong na yung player. Alright, moving forward. Small kids, Sir RCR, salamat po. RCR. Alright, RCR. Kaka-breakout lang This is looking well. Mukhang sideways to So, RCR, tingnan nyo. If ever mag-bounce dito, bounce anytime soon, that should be a good entry. Kim Joshua, ano yung teams ng scholar mo, Sir Lloyd? Yeah, makita nyo, that's one scholar right here, Moy Anoba. He's earning that. Let's say, for example, sino pa ba? Nope. Ito si Earl. Right, he is also carrying aqua, and plant. So, yeah, yun yung standard ko. Binibigay natin sa scholars natin, aqua, and plant. And the cards are pretty similar still. Right? If makita nyo, same. Right? Fish hook, upstream. Fish hook, upstream. And then, may similar strike lang yun. Pero same plant pa rin. You have this guy's vegetal bite. Same plants, right? So, standard na yun sa mga scholars natin. They get almost the same axes. And yeah, they should be doing well already. Ito, kakasimula niya pa lang. 118 SLP sa kanya. Win rate is at 47. Kakasimula pa lang na naman ito. So this player, once na marunong na ito, he's at 1,200. Pag umakyat yan ng around 1,500, which is our requirement, so mas tataas pa yung kikitain niya a month, right? So, but those are the standard, yun yung standard natin na binibigay. Halos pare-parehas na. Okay. Moving forward, right? So, Ryan, Rahon, thoughts on PNB, Sir Lloyd? PNB, na-cover na natin si PNB kanina, di ba? PNB, bodagahin nyo po dito. Right, mukhang nagbumaba ka agad after this one right here. So, support, you see this massive support for PNB. That is going to be your entry point. Kim Joshua, ano yung mga teams sa scholar nyo? Nabasa natin to. Dice, Lloyd, ano recommended kayo yung trading journal or template na pwedeng i-share? Actually, mayroon tayo niyan I'm not sure if ever that episode is still up though. Pero, let me go to YouTube let me go to my videos. Trading, journal. Later, journal. Trading journal. Yeah, how to journal trades. Right. Verify it's you. Learn more. Damn it. Magpapa-verify na siya. Bakit ngayon? Mamaya na. Okay. One moment. Let me just fix this really quick. And let me just put in my number. Kasi yung hindi ko pa ito nalalakad pero YouTube mas strict na ngayon. They will be asking for two-step verification. Pinupush ko lang lagi kasi tamad ako. 09 and 1. Okay. Pasensya na. Right, and here we go. And 918,557. Alright, so we should be able to get in Alright, so going back, journal. What in the world is happening? Ayaw talaga. Gusto talagang hi. Sakit sa ulo. Every time I open my Google accounts now, meron na namang two-step verification, nonsense, blah blah blah, voice blah blah blah. Trying to blah blah. Yes, it's me. There's 6. Alright, we should be able to get in now. Ay, nako, Google, sakit ka sa ulo. Pero yeah, search for my videos na lang. Search for videos of mine. Maybe here, let me just here. Journal, trade, journal, financial freedom 101. How to journal your trades like a pro, blah blah blah. Here we go.
Something is inherently wrong with.
Right, so I'll post this in the comments kung gusto niyo po ng journal. Meron tayo dyan. Small kids, Sir Pano, encash yung ETH from MetaMask to PHP. Yun ang hindi ko pa alam. Right? I believe i-ano nyo pa. Kailangan nyo i-bridge back. Look for a way to bridge it back to Binance and then from Binance nyo i-encash. Rise of a Heart will dito be affected by Dennis Uy. Guys, kailan po official launch ng EmberSword? I'll try to check the gameplay first before sana mag-invest in anything. Important kasi sa enjoyable game. Yes, that's the reason why I love EmberSword. Hindi ako basta-basta pumasok sa isang hindi ako basta-basta pumasok sa isang laro na hindi mo gusto, right? So, EmberSword, blah blah blah. And so ganito po yung gameplay niya.
But that there was a big sigh of
MMORPGs,
from a
so
lot of
this is
people in the
EmberSword.
audience right now.
So this is just a test,
especially on a day like today
here.
when gas hit 400.
It's pretty crazy, but
so akin is,
that's, I mean, obviously
para sa akin is hindi siya minadali kasi na laro, and it's gonna be more fun. It's not play to win. I mean, it's not pay to win. Kahit na magbili ka ng mga skins, hindi magiging imbalance. So I love the game. It's MMORPG. Sabay-sabay kayo sa mga guild ninyo, pumunta sa mga dungeons, etc. So it's fun. That's why this is the reason why I made an episode saying that this is the NFT game that I will be playing. Okay. Trans to Binance, then pwede P2P. Yes, pwede pong ganun. Kailan po official launch? Official launch ng EmberSword should be early 2022. Right. So LTG looking well. Mas maganda if ever makuha nyo on a breakout. That's a cup and handle pattern right there. Good find for LTG. Going back to Facebook, tignan natin ulit sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. Sa Facebook. Wala ka. Teka lang. Sino yung last na nabasa ko? Yun. Si Leo Murata. APL and BSC. We covered BSC already. Let's go for APL. Alright, si APL. Hitting supports right here, right? Pero nagda-divergence si APL. Ang kagandahan dito is I love to trade this. Excuse me. Maganda itong trade na ito. Why? Nasa support tayo. Technical analysis is saying na okay na, mas maganda na yung buying niya. So, let's trade this one. Pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be a buy. Cut loss below that support. Right? Maganda to kasi low risk din also. Aside sa technical analysis niya. So, low risk yung position. So, you can cut loss below that. This is a good find. Galing. Alright? This is for Leo. Ramin, Sepasi, hello, new haircut. Thank you so much. RSI sa day trading po. Janer. Yan. Na-message natin si Arnel. Tingnan natin kung nag-reply na ba si Arnel. Hindi pa nagre-reply eh. Nagde-date pa yon, nagde-dinner pa yon kasama yung Ay, nabasa niya na pero hindi pa nagre-reply. So most probably he's busy. Good evening, Paulo David. Good evening, Sir Lord. Good evening, Sir Lord. Pasilip po nandito. Salamat po. You're welcome. Dito is technical analysis speaking. Okay, it's a buy. Kahit na may news, it's still going green. So that's good. Pull back and bounce for dito. That should be your entry point. Converge, Paulo David. Si Converge kanina nag-akit Converge. Green si Converge kanina. So, looking well, right? Showing resistance right here. At least man lang kung gusto niyo short-term trade to. For short-term trades, break out from that resistance or converge. Norman Magat, Coach MPI, please. MPI, tagal na maganda yung position nito eh. Makyat na to, di ba? Nakalipad na to. Right, so MPI, doing a pullback. MA20. MA20 is going to be our support. Hopefully, it holds the MA20. And then, trade nyo sa MA20. Ever Gutesco, biggest winner kanina. Right. Ever. Ooh, massive green right there. Ganda ng pinakita ni Ever Gutesco. Play pullback and bounce will be your trade entry forever. Dale Lan Stark. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Salamat po sa opportunity sa EmberSword. You're welcome, Dale. You're welcome, man. Nga eh, nag-take profits tayo. ang kagandahan is, sumabay kayo sa akin, I won't say na mas magaling ako sa inyo, pero mas may exposure kasi ako sa crypto, tsaka sa trading and market movements. I know when to sell. That's the reason why we sold one earlier and take profits na tayo. I mean, ROI na tayo plus gains na, di ba? And then we have extra 3 lands dito na hawak natin. And pwede natin benta. If we sell this, we get another 1 million. So, wala tayong talo. Right? And wala nang land available ngayon. So, I cannot hype anyone from buying lands anymore. Kasi wala nang land available. Unless bumili kayo sa marketplace ngayon, which I don't recommend. Sobrang mahal na. You don't have to force yourself to buy 1 town plot which costs 1 million pesos. That's crazy. Right? Noon, 100k lang ito. And that's the reason why I pulled in some investors to share the risk with me. Kaya ko ako lang. Pero I wanna bring people up with me. So even ako sana bibili ng isa. But since sobrang dami ng gusto makisabay, I gave up my position na lang and gave it to everyone. And there it is. Nag-share profits lang tayo after. I'm not hyping you here. Wala na kang magagawa dito ngayon kasi wala nang available na lands. Tapos na yung land sale. So, no reason to buy lands na sobrang mahal. Right? Excited for EmberSword Alpha release? Yan. Me too. Pakisili po si Ever. This is from Ruben Emperador. We covered what do you call this? We covered Ever. Axis po, Sir Lloyd. Sell na po ba? Let's check out Axis USDT AXS. Uy, congratulations sa mga may Shiba Inu tsaka ibang crypto dyan. Congratulations, man, sa mga nasa loob ng crypto. Axis USDT, resistance right here. Ganda ng climb niya kanina. But, right, we are at resistance level. Sell it, man. Sell some of it at the very least, okay? Mahal na naman gumawa ng Axie nito. Right? Kailangan kasi whenever create Axis nito, this is technically the stock, one stock of, what do you call this? Sky Mavis, right? So, if ever bibili ka nito, you're technically buying isang stock ni Sky Mavis. Right? Parang ganun ang nangyayari. And then, you need one of these, isang AXS to be able to spawn one Axie. Para gusto nyo mag-breed ng Axie. If may maganda kayong Axie, ayun nyo bumili ng iba at is-spawn nyo lang. You will need this. Mahal na naman. So, yeah. Sell, man. Pag pumula yan. Laura Napa, Axelum po. Let's check out AXLM. Alright, Axelum, Resources, Corporation, Breakout, already on Axelum. Ayan, meron tayong mga linya dyan. Pag nag-breakout, pasukin nyo. So, hopefully, pinasok nyo na sa breakout. Kaya may pula dyan, sabi ko sa inyo. So, either support kung bumalik siya or mag-breakout. And that already did broke out earlier today. So, hopefully, pinasok nyo na. That was your buy point. Ngayon, medyo nakalipad na si Axelum. Okay pa rin naman, 2% lang naman ang bin-breakout niya. So, I would say that's still a buy right there. Dave Viola, sir, may push pa ba kay Phoenix? I'm not really sure, man. What we can do really is just wait for pullbacks and bounce. Pullback and bounce for Phoenix, right? Ang ganda na to, right? Ang ganda ng ginawa niya. That's an engulfing pattern. Let's wait for confirmation. If it goes pullback and bounce, that's gonna be your best entry point for Phoenix. Alibaba and Apple, sir, thank you. This is from Paolo David. Sila Apple. Tagal ko na sinabi to na buy eh. Was that last week? on this support right here, right? I told you, bodegahin nyo na to. That's already a buy right there. Pullback and bounce. Susunod na entry natin kay Apple. Si Baba rin nag-breakout to eh. Right, si Baba, right, may mga linya tayo dito. So, medyo nakalipad na si Baba, resistance right here. Pag nag-sustain yung breakout niya, right, another green right there that will sustain the breakout or another dalawang green just to make sure may confirmation tayo ng breakout. Kasi medyo slim yung signals niya sa breakout niya. Nagfe-fail kasi si Baba. I don't wanna buy Tesla muna. Kailan po kaya ang ad kay Tesla? From Eugene Miguel. Tesla nga pala. Ibibenta ko pa yung Tesla ko. Another green for today for Tesla. Let me open my eToro muna. Nga pala, nag-withdraw ako sa eToro ko. Right? Withdraw ko yung majority of my funds. Why? Because, and let me just portfolio. So, overall, yung Tesla natin is at 33% na ang gains natin kay Tesla. I should be selling this already. Pag pumula to today, maybe I'm just gonna be selling my may ang ganda pa eh, right? I'll just wait for the red before ko ibenta yung what do you call this? Before ko ibenta yung Tesla ko, right? So, galing. Ganda na ng kita natin. 53% for this position right here. And then nag-average down ako kay Tesla. $270, we earned 92% from that position. I should be selling my Tesla a few moments from now. Yeah. Nag-withdraw ako sa eToro ko. Why? Because I'm gonna be adding up to my Izanagi. Update tayo kay Izanagi. Guys, 225% gains already on our Izanagi right here. This is automated trading, right? This is bot trading. We call it Izanagi. 225%. This account is verified by my FX book right here. Okay? Meaning, yung kikita nyo lahat dito na results is verified. And this is the record of Izanagi. From January 18, fast forward 10 months, 225%. Mind you, previous performance does not really guarantee na another 200% in the next 10 months. It's just that I'm sharing to you yung kita natin dito, but this is high risk, high reward na settings, right? This will not be possible if not for the drawdown. 42% ang pinakataas na drawdown inabot ng account na ito. Meaning, at a certain point, I lost 42% of my portfolio. But this will not be available if not for the risk. You can lower the risk to 25%. It's up to you. Kasi I'm not sure if ever kaya nyo to. Nakita nyo to, yung yellow na to. Let me just zoom into this position right here. So at a certain point, we were at yung equity natin 189%. Fast forward how many days? It dropped from 190% to 112%. Meaning, I lost around 80% on this one right here. And then, when the recovery trade happened, boom, lumipad ang portfolio. Now, we closed at 215 that day. Right? That is how this one trades. This bot is for free. Okay, wala po itong bayad. Ang babayaran nyo lang po dito is the VPS, meaning yan yung parang computer na mag-o-on ng 24/7 para mag-trade yung account ninyo. Hindi kasi pwede to sa computer ninyo. Right? So, it has to be on a VPS and yun lang ang babayaran nyo. Sobrang sulit. I have a different account for Izanagi. I have two actually na pinpublic ko na. This account started July 9. This is also verified for you guys. Yan. Hindi ko lang pinakita magkano yung amount nito, but this is already up 57%. 57% already. Yung isang public account ko, which I'm gonna be adding funds, Izanagi. Let me just log in my account. Ryan Tabilas, 12.21% from October 1 to 25. Alright. Galing. So 12.21% in just less than what do you call this? In just 1 month, diba? Technically 1 month. Congratulations, man. That's very good. Sir Lloyd, man, chance pa ba makarecover si Doge? Bumagsak ba si Dogecoin? Di ba nagliliparan ngayon ang ano? Nagliliparan ngayon ang crypto? So, sila Katecoin yun. ang umakyat. Nawala na sa uso si Dogecoin, si Katecoin na ang umakyat. Kate USDT. Ano nga ba yung code Katecoin? K ba 'yon? I'm already familiar with these coins right here. Pero hindi ako sumasabay sa mga ganyan kasi I can't say for sure, man. Pag sabihin ko sa inyo may pag-asa ba, baka mag-hold kayo, which is not right. So, I can't say, man. Hopefully, magkaroon. So, this account right here is also public. Ginawa ko dito is, I made this public to you guys para makita nyo kung magkano tutubo ng account na ito with a $500 na capital. And then, at a 25% na, 25% na drawdown settings. So, this account is already up 18.85%. August, September, October. In 2 months, 18.85. Naka 25% yung settings na ito. So, yeah. Hopefully, mag-join kayo. This is automated trading right here. Right? Tingnan ko nga kung nag-update yung Valkyrie ko. Mas 9 na pala. Right, so my Valkyrie is up 9.99% pero hindi ito updated eh. October 7 yung last nito na update. I wanna fix this muna, right? So, but, man, hopefully, nakisabay kayo sa akin kay Izanagi. Let me know how much you are already up. In percentage lang. You don't have to say magkano yung amount na kinita ninyo sa Izanagi ninyo. Post in the comments para may ma-invite naman tayo, right? This bot is for free, guys. Andyan sa video description yung video nito para malaman nyo anong magandang settings sa inyo. And also, registration is there. Sansan, Pono Stingson, my lord, thank you, sir, for honest opinion, sir. You're welcome, man. Anyways, that's it for me this evening. Tingnan ko lang. Baka mayroon pang humabol na questions sa YouTube. Tingnan natin. Yan na. And also, if ever you want to partner up with Axie Infinity with me, right? Hopefully, you understand the game already. And if you want to diversify in Axie, pero ayun yung sakit ng ulo, ako na po solution, send me a message, Financial Freedom 101. Lino Antonio, transfer to Binance. Yeah. Louis Gray, Sir Ray, thank you sa pagsagot sa inquiries ko about Izanagi kahit weekend was able to open an account. Waiting lang sa confirmation on BPS enrollment. Congratulations, Louis. Dice Lloyd, pag nag-add ba ng funds sa Izanagi, automatic ang scaling ng bot sa trades. You have to let the admin know first para ma-set up ulit yung setting ng bot, okay? So, I guess we're able to answer everyone. Yan. Michael Ang, 17% po ka Lloyd Bazaar. Yan, si kapatid na Michael. So, 17% po kay Michael Ang for Izanagi. Kailan nga ba nagsimula si Mike? We had a chat earlier. But 17% already for Izanagi. Congratulations, man. Alright, so that's it for me this evening. Again, ayan, Izanagi. Andyan po sa video description. Want to know more about it? It is doing well. And hopefully, sabayan nyo kami. Libre lang po yung bot na yan. Handog namin yun sa inyo. Tulong na rin yan. And also, if you wanna partner up, tapos na yung EmberSword eh. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung result. But Axie is still there. If you wanna partner up with Axie, ayun yung sakit ng ulo, paghanap ng scholars, etc. Let me know, right? I'll send you a proposal. If you're good with it, we can partner up. Right? And also, if nanonood ka ngayon and you're already a partner, you should have received a message from me. Update po sa takbo ng scholar ninyo. And if ever hindi, send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. That's it for me this Monday evening. I'll see you tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.